Welcome, welcome. Hey everybody, we're making a whole bunch of different tonic syrups and flavored syrups these days, but this is our original, the kind of one that started it all. So we thought we'd do a quick, how do I use, if I just want to make a delicious Alley 26 tonic water, how do I make it? Let me show you. I take, make sure you shake it, make sure nothing's on the bottom, give it a good shake, because sometimes the cinchona bark, actually every time, the cinchona bark will fall out of suspension, so you want to just put it back in there. If I'm making a tall tonic water, just for a refreshing, kind of non-alcoholic thing to enjoy, I'm going to take 1.5 ounces of our tonic water to 3/4 of an ounce of fresh squeezed lime. Like, there really is no substituting for fresh squeezed lime, so don't try. And then we're going to take some nice fresh ice over here. You can build this drink at home if you want and just kind of stir it, but I think for best effect, if you're willing to go through the trouble, go ahead and give it a shake. And I like this Topo Chico's great mineral water. It says carbonated mineral water, like natural spring water. The natural mineral water doesn't have enough carbonation really for most of these syrups to taste really good. So if you have the soda siphon at home, or you know, if you have one of those where you can make your own soda water at home, make sure the soda water is nice and cold and nice and fizzy. So I'm just gonna put my soda on the bottom. I like to do that best. And then take this guy. And then real quick, we're just kind of like getting it to temperature. I don't even think you need to double strain that. We're just pouring that straight in on top, and you can see how delicious and refreshing that looks. You can even see, you've already put the lime juice in. If you're serving this to somebody else, I recommend using a lime wheel and just sneaking it down the side of the glass so they're not tempted to grab it and squeeze it and muck up the drink you just made them. Refreshing tonic. Enjoy.